What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Blender to your computer. First of all, open your web browser. Type Blender. Click download. It automatically selects the specific version for your computer. So click download and the download starts. So I'm going to pause it because I have downloaded pre. Go to downloads and click on the setup. Click next. After reading, click I accept the terms and agreement and then click next. Then click next. Click install. Click yes for system administration. Click finish to finish your setup. And there we go. Blender is now installed. Now we will open and create a simple project. And this is the normal view. Now go to your Google Chrome and type Blender projects. Demo files and just download anything. I'm going to download this. It was library. And there you go, it's downloading. Add a demo project which was taken from the Blender. Open up the file and then drag and drop this into the Blender and click open. It will open according to your RAM and the processor speed. So if it's low, you must be patient. And there we go. Now I have taken some of the demo project, that means asset bundle from Blender resources, and that's it guys. So make sure to subscribe and see you guys from another video. Thank you.